Do not get a laptop before you check out these 4 things. What's on the laptop? What's in the laptop? What's within the laptop? And what's without the laptop? Once again, ASUS is giving us a masterclass in engineering, design, and proficiency in performance with the Zenbook S14 laptop. And thanks to ASUS, let's find out why you should care about these 4 things. What's on the laptop? Here we look at choices in design and ports. Now, this is the most crucial as it is the first impression. And for a 14-inch laptop with such a minimal footprint, for it to deliver excellent performance is no small feat. Our unit comes in Zumeya Grey, while Scandinavian White is the other option, and it weighs in at a mere 1.2 kgs and is 1.1 centimeters thick, making it fit in most compact bags, and dare I say, an A4 envelope. This portability makes it a great daily companion for home or office work, and especially on the go. ASUS used a material they called aluminum. Yes, I got it right this time! That contributes to the sturdiness of the laptop plus the texture on the lid. The geometric grille design is functional aesthetics in action, as the machined cooling vents enhance cooling efficiency. The fact that it has a compact form should not be confused with it being flimsy, as it has met the ultra-demanding military standard for reliability and durability. On the laptop are most of the ports needed. USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports that support display and power delivery, HDMI 2.1, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. I said most because there is enough space for a full SD card slot, ASUS. But, you know, I'll not crucify it on that, though I do wish there was a full SD card slot. After successfully passing the one hand or one finger opening test, the fact that it does not lie back completely bothers me, but I can deal with it. Either way, it will mostly stay angled up while using the backlit chiclet keyboard. The keyboard is comfortable, has decent key travel, and the arm placement is comfortable on either side of the precision touchpad that has convenient smart gestures to adjust system brightness, system volume, and video playback for forward or back movement. What's in the laptop? Here we look at the hardware and tech that is responsible for our experience with the laptop, and man, I gotta say, ASUS engineers are who they think they are. After turning on the laptop, the full HD camera with infrared is your secure way in, with instant unlocking, opening your experience to the laptop through the gorgeous display. Now, this display, like others that ASUS has been offering us, is close to, if not perfection itself. 3K ASUS Lumina OLED at 500 nits of brightness, touchscreen with stylus support, 16:10 aspect ratio with 120Hz refresh rate, smooth motion in movies and text scrolling, 100% DCI P3 color gamut for precise creativity, color work, and vibrant visual entertainment, 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio for deep blacks, clear images, Versa Display HDR True Black 500 certified, Pantone validated, and all that with 70% less harmful blue light, offering better eye care and sleep quality. Mwah! Perfection! Under the hood is where things get exciting. Options start at the Intel Core Ultra 5 processor at 2.1 GHz with Intel AI Boost NPU up to 40 tops, and the Ultra 7 at 2.2 GHz with NPU up to 47 tops, and you can get fully spec'd with the Ultra 9 at 3.3 GHz, then NPU up to 48 tops. GPU is held up by Intel Arc Graphics. Storage has options of 512 GB and 1 TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, and memory with 16 GB and 32 GB LPDDR5 RAM. With the Windows 11 operating system running on such hardware, performance is not anything to worry about with this lightweight machine. And lightweight in this case is meant to be a good thing. For audio, we have a built-in array microphone and a built-in 4-speaker system by Harman Kardon with Dolby Atmos. And I have to say, for a laptop this thin, I have no idea how they achieved this audio quality. For connectivity, the S14 is equipped with the latest Wi-Fi 7 for fast wireless connections, automatically connecting to the strongest Wi-Fi signal and using all the available bandwidth efficiently. And a pleasant surprise for me was the support for up to 3 simultaneous Bluetooth headphone connections on one device, and all this kept powered by a 72-watt-hour battery. What's within the laptop? Here we look more at what the laptop is capable of after being adorned with such beauty and tech. The battery gives all-day performance with productivity tasks like emails, documents, and browsing the web, and enjoying social media with hours of video. But if you run out of juice, it is capable of fast charging. You will definitely enjoy it if you don't like being tethered to power outlets. The weight and thinness of it just motivates you to be on the move with it. Part of this performance can be attributed to what Intel has done with its Lunar Lake chips. They have been optimized to match what the competition offers, including some clever AI features, as well as ASUS's as well as some features included by ASUS in their in-house apps and tweaks designed to streamline the user experience. And we are glad that this efficiency has arrived in the Windows world. The keyboard has a dedicated Copilot key, and it's like having a super smart assistant right at your fingertip, literally. With a single press, you can summon Windows Copilot. This AI wizard can help you with all sorts of tasks. Need to summarize a long document? Copilot can do it in seconds. Want to write a catchy email or translate some text? Copilot's got your back. It is still early days, but the Zenbook S14 has met the minimum performance required to be a Copilot Plus PC, which is 40 tops, having it ready to become even more powerful with on-device AI processing, meaning faster and more personalized assistance happening right here on the laptop. You'll definitely enjoy gaming on those downtimes, and this laptop is one that meets the standard. It's not one to push to the limit for sure. Fans rarely kick in during those daily tasks, and even when editing videos and photos. Rendering, though, takes a lot from it, so the fans will be audible. They included my ASUS features, and apps like AI noise cancelling and smart Wi-Fi connect, among others, work like a charm. Multimedia consumption wins here because the audio and visual quality is pristine. The audio output from the speaker is the best so far from any of the laptops out there with this form factor. Back in the day, the only way to get excellent speakers in a laptop was to go for the thickest one, and still, that wasn't a guarantee. The array microphones ensure crisp voice quality. I'm currently testing the sound and picture on the ASUS Zenbook S14 laptop. And I have to say, considering where we've come from, if this is how you're going to look and sound in meetings, then I see why you wouldn't mind keeping your camera on. The performance in terms of hardware and software just goes to show that this laptop is that personal assistant you've been waiting for all your life to be under your command. Now that we are done with the laptop, let's see what's without the laptop. Here we focus on what comes with the laptop and what it adds. Notably, the first thing is the 65-watt Type-C fast charger that can give you 60% charge in 49 minutes of charging from zero. Something that you can do while using the laptop at the same time. Included in the package is the ASUS Pen 2.0, a great stylus pen that is accurate and responsive, and it has a nice weight and balance. It's also very comfortable to hold, and it's easy to use for writing, drawing, and editing documents. Topping off the package is the included sleeve, a great way to protect your laptop from scratches and bumps if you don't want to carry it in another bag. It's made of durable and water-resistant material, and it has a soft interior lining that will protect your laptop. It works well if you don't need to carry the charger, which we said is an option, but it can carry the laptop and the pen very well without feeling bulky. In conclusion, this is a masterpiece of an executive laptop that gets the job done with a touch of flair and uniqueness. It is priced at a premium price point, and you can pre-order it using the link in the description box below. High cost? Yes, but that's the cost of impeccable craftsmanship, and not to mention the value it brings to the table.